In this video, I'm going to cover how to use and program the CMF indicator. This will be for beginners. Let's begin. So first off, we need to go to our terminal and bring up what the CMF is and how it's used. Now the CMF, you guys can go in the link below and download it. But the CMF, we're going to use a period of 20. Now typically when using the CMF, you want to either, when it's above the zero line, you'll be looking at buying, and below look at shorting. So for example, we look at right here. Since we broke the zero, we're looking at that this is a trend for a positive. And if we go here, we can exit our trade right here. And if we go for a buy right here, just for another example. But basically, it's an easy indicator for volume and giving you guys pretty good direction and when things are bullish or bearish. Now it can be slow, like in this example right here. But it's basically, you can use it for buying and selling, or for keep staying in, or for staying in trades or getting out of trades. So let's get to the programming, guys. Go to MetaQuotes. Go to MetaQuotes right here. Go to New. And we'll be using the function called I function. We're going to be CMF Basics. All right, bring it up. We're going to go down to the on tick. And we're using iCustom. We're going to call this a double. We're going to be using double. And CMF. On also, we're going to use equal and iCustom. Null. Now this is the part that matters the most when it comes to iCustom, is getting the name right, okay? So when we're going back to the program over here for iCustom, make sure you write down the name. So this is CMF capitalized underscore lowercase V1. Once you guys get that, you need to get the values. We're only using period, so that's the only value they have. So when we go back to here, we write our CMF underscore V1. We use that string to pull the name up. We use our period of 20. We use 0 and then comma 0. Now that's the basic of using iCustom. We're going to use a comment line to do like a printout of it. And we're going to just call it CMF equals. Okay. And now we're going to use the CMF a little bit different. We're going to use an if statement and do orders total. Now we're just going to use this as just a way to enter and exit trades. So just entering trades. Now remember, guys, this is not a trading strategy and how to make money. Just an example of how to use the CMF. Okay. Orders total. Now, I've covered this in multiple videos. If you need help with the orders function, just check the previous videos, okay? We're going to use OP buy. Oh, oops, wrong value. The volume 0.01 lots. Our slippage will be 10. Alright, our stop. I'm sorry, this would be our ask. Our slippage will be 10. Our stop loss will be, let's say, ATR. No, not the ATR, I'm sorry. We'll do the ask minus, let's say, 150 pips. Because we're using pound yen. And our target profit will be, say, 600. Our comment will be null. Magic number will be 0. And expiration will be 0. And our color for the order will be CLR blue. Now that we have that for our order symbol, we'll just make sure there's no errors. And the one thing that we need for this is a bool statement, okay? A bool stating that, and this would be CMF pass. Let's just say pass. And you guys want to make it a little bit organized. And this would be if the ask price, right? I'm sorry, if the CMF is above 0, if that's true, we'll enter our trade. Okay. And Control V, double equals, and that's true. So now we have our basic function. If you guys cannot see it, let me scroll down. Here's the entire thing for the if statement, okay? Our orders, here's our if statement to double check our orders, our CMF pass, our I custom for the CMF. They compile and make sure there's no errors. Call it CMF basic, our basics. And now let's go to our terminal here and look for CMF basics. Hit start, and let's actually go to the 1 hour. And now we'll see our CMF. Our orders are taking place based off our CMF. Remember, guys, this is for beginners. It's very easy to use. And if you need the codes on my website, and also join the Discord and Telegram, as we'll see it over here. You see our stop loss is right here, and our target profit's way up here. And if you guys want to change the color, once again, go to properties. Okay. Now we have our order, and we're way zoomed out. Let's go to here. And now we'll let it run, see what happens. Now, this is a very easy trading strategy, very easy way to program this. So once again, you guys need any help, let me know. We can talk into the Discord, like actually chat there. If you want to text more, just go join the Telegram. Either way, we can meet other traders and talk. Also, like and share this video, subscribe to the channel. We'll see. Very easy way. Let's see what happens when it gets knocked out on a trade, and we'll enter right after again. Once the CMF hits positive. Let's go to the CMF, bring it up on the screen. You can see that once it hit positive right there, boom, enter our trade. Now there's multiple things you guys can add to this. You guys can add a trailing stop loss. You guys can have a more modified target profit / stop loss. You guys can change this up and use the code to whatever you like. But this is a very simple way to use the CMF indicator. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video, and thank you guys for making it for the end.